Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all and welcome to the channel. In this video, we will discuss the Lambda expression for the consumer interface. Quite quickly, we will review that the consumer class accepts an argument and returns nothing. Let us see the Lambda expression for this particular interface. Consumer integer consumer is equal to new consumer blah 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 blah. Okay, now watch what happens when I replace this cumbersome line of code or this cumbersome code snippet with the Lambda expression. As you can see here, this is the argument being accepted, and here is the Lambda expression. Oh. Alhamdulillah. Oh man, that was a difficult sneeze. Oh. Okay, so we can pull this here. Remember, if it is a single argument in the Lambda expression, you do not need to use the parameter list. I prefer to use the parameter list to become more attentive that this is a Lambda expression and it is accepting an argument. This is my personal preference. Whether you wish to use it or not is up to you. And remember, the argument is arbitrarily named in the Lambda expression, as long as it matches, obviously, the parameter type passed here. I will call it num to ensure or cement the fact that the parameter, the argument being passed, can be arbitrarily named. And remember, if your logic will be as only a single line, you need not use these curly braces. If it will be comprised of multiple lines, you must use the curly braces. System.out.println num. Since it is only a single line, I can remove these. Oh, there. And remember, we can also substitute this with the method reference like so. If you want, it is up to you truly how you wish to define it. Then consumer.accept 5. Okay, let us run this and see what happens. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim 5, because it is being printed here. And remember, this is the method reference operator which we covered in a previous lecture. Num system.out.println num. This is the same as this. However, the method reference operator, or rather the Java virtual machine, is able to detect the argument and pass it to this method through the method reference operator. But if you are confused with this syntax, sometimes I am confused with this syntax, use this syntax. It is completely normal. Then run this, and there you have it. And that is it for the Lambda expression for the consumer class. I hope this lecture was helpful and beneficial to you all. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone. Be safe, take care, and peace be upon you all. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.